All right, Michelle's going to need to put a hat on top of her head as the days go on here through this week because it's cool now, it's seasonal, but it's getting colder, and that cold air wrapped up into the north here, driving snow into eastern Ontario where winter weather travel advisories are there. It is still warm enough, though, that we're into liquid here in Toronto, so it's rain showers. You can see a tiny little bit of pink where the radar is trying to hint at maybe some wet flurries mixing in, again, up over the Dundalk Highlands. We're talking about close to 5 millimeters, so it's not like a huge amount of rain, but it's wet roads and wet sidewalks, and then you throw leaves down on there. Things can get pretty slippery out there with that combination. The other thing you need to know for tomorrow is it's going to be a windy day. We've got gusts strongest up over the escarpment. The gusts anywhere from about 40 to 50 kilometers per hour in Toronto, and it's going all day. The winds will ease up a little bit for Wednesday morning, but it's important to note that by Wednesday morning, we're now into that colder air mass. So cold air plus wind equals wind chills, right? So we're seasonal now. We say goodbye to that. Here comes that next plunge of colder Arctic air, and it's not just coming for Ontario. It is not staying on this side of the border. It is plunging all the way down into the U.S. South. In fact, these are the forecast wind chills for Sunday morning. So if you have to head out early, you're going to want to dress for -9, feels like, early Sunday morning, and even feeling like -4 all the way down into Atlanta. Now, this cold air triggering off the lake effect snow machine for the first time this season. All of those west-northwest winds means traditional snow belts looking at the target, being the target of these prolonged multi-day lake effect snow events. In fact, the first snow squall watch has now been issued just east of Lake Superior, but for us here, just north of Toronto, some areas in the traditional snow belts could be in for a good 20 to 40 centimeters of snow Friday through Sunday. So excellent, excellent news there. So tomorrow I said it would be windy. Also note temperatures will be falling from 7 down to 4. So really dress for the 4 degrees, feeling like 0 with a little bit of that wind in place. And by Friday, we're into lake effect snow showers to the north. It's going to be a windy Saturday, gusts up to 60 kilometers per hour with morning wind chills through the weekend.